Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to connect XM to MetaTrader 5. First thing I want you to do once you're logged into XM and you've created your account, come to the top, click on this drop down, click here on the plus icon to create a new account. And let's say you can create a demo or real account. I'll create a demo one. And then you choose your MetaTrader type. In this case, we will choose MetaTrader 5. Click here on continue. You can choose your account type as well. I'll just choose this one. Click on continue. And then you can have your password. So I'll go ahead and type in my password right there. And then we'll click here on complete. After that, what I want you to do is go to your MT5 account right here. And I want you to go ahead and click on this again. Click here on manage. Click here on account information. And here I want you to copy this information. So here we have the server. I want you to copy this. I want you to go to MetaTrader 5 and come to the top left, click on a file, click on open an account, search up that server right there, click on find your company. And then once you find this right here, XM Global, click here on next, whichever one it shows you. Click here on connect with an existing trade account, copy your login, copy your MTID, paste it in here for login. Go ahead and enter the password you had set up with, choose the correct server, and then click here on finish. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.